Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the question answers of chapter 2 standard 7 SS. My dear student, in my first video I said about rotation and revolution. Okay, now today we are going to deal with question answer. My dear student, I will discuss the question answer which are given behind the chapter, as well as I will discuss some other questions, extra questions. So in exercise we very few question answers are given, questions are given. So here I am giving the question answer which are given behind the chapter, as well as some extra question answer. Okay, now first question: how many types of motions are there of the earth? Name them. Which are the two types? Which are the motions of the earth? My dear students, in my first video I said there are two motions of the earth. How many motions of the earth are there? Two. Okay, here answer. There are two motions of the earth. How many types of the motions of the earth are there? There are two types of motions. My dear student, number one that is called rotation. Number one, that is called rotation. Now on that day I explained what is called rotation. When the earth moves on its own axis. When the earth moves on its own axis, that is called rotation. So first motion is rotation and second motion is revolution. This is called second one. Okay. Now what is called revolution? When the earth revolving around the sun, that is called revolution. So got it? How many types of motions are there? So there are two types of motions. Which are they? So both I have written here, rotation and revolution. My dear student, here I have explained in a short words, okay, that moving on its own axis, that is called rotation, and revolving around the sun, that is called revolution. Got it? Next question is, what will happen if the earth does not revolve? If the earth does not revolve, what will happen? Okay, what will happen if the earth does not revolve around the sun? If the earth doesn't move around the sun, what will happen? My dear student, in my last video I said that if the earth does not revolve, there would not be season. Because of the revolution, revolving around the sun, we have season. Okay, answer I have written here. If the earth does not revolve, around the sun, what will happen? There would be no change in the season. There would not be change in the season. It means we'll experience only and only one season, either summer or maybe winter, whatever. Okay, got it? Now here I have written some other thing also. Here I have written about revolving, but here in the second point I have written about rotation also. Remember, if the earth does not rotate, here it is revolving. If the earth does not revolve, no seasons. But if the earth does not rotate, then also we have problem, my dear student, because the regions which faces the sunlight will remain always in a daytime, and the area which will not face sunlight will remain night. So my dear student, both are necessary, rotation and revolution. If there is no revolving, there would not be season, and there is no rotation, there would not be day and night. So here I have written, if the earth does not rotate, on its axis, the day and night would not happen. Got it? So my dear student, both motions are necessary, rotation and revolution. Because of the rotation we have day and night, and because of the revolution we have change in season. And third point is there would be a permanent day where there would be a permanent day where the region who facing the sun. Suppose the sun is here, the earth is here. So this here they are facing the light, or here it would be a day and there would be a night. So if it does not rotate, so this area will receive permanent light. That's why this area would have a permanent day. Got it, my dear student? And if the regions not facing the sun would have a permanent night. Where we have permanent night? Not facing the sun. Got it? So the area which receives the sunlight, they will have permanent day. And the area which do not have light, not getting light, they will have permanent night. Got it? Now, third question is, what is a rotation? What is a rotation? My dear student, I may ask in examination about the difference. Here I have written 3 points as the answer. Okay, you have to write down everything. Got it? What is a rotation? What is a rotation? My dear student, as I said, moving on its own axis, that is called rotation. The first point, the earth rotates like a spinning top on its axis. Got it? The earth rotates like a spinning top on its own axis. My dear student, and this portion of the earth is called rotation. Moving on its own axis, that is called rotation. Got it? Second point, how much time does it take? My dear student, to complete one rotation, the earth takes 24 hours. How much time? 24 hours. And that's why we know in a day 24 hours are there. Okay? So the earth takes how much time? 24 hours to complete one full circle. Got it? Now, second question. What is a revolution? What is a revolution? My dear student, when earth moves around the sun, that is called revolution. Here also I have written 3 points. While rotating on its axis, the earth also moves around the sun. Remember the word, also moves around the sun, and this motion is called revolution. Got it? Revolving around the sun, that is called revolution. This motion of the earth is called revolution. Which motion? Moving around the sun. Got it? My dear student, in order to complete one revolution, the earth takes 365 days. Got it? How much time does it take? It takes 365 days. Got it? So the earth takes 365 days to complete one full revolution around the sun. My dear student, today I have explained 4 question answer. In next video again I am going to explain some other questions. Thank you.